Today I'm showcasing the Anna Maria with Bonus plan from Dreamfinders Homes. It's one of their top sellers and one of my personal favorites. One of my favorite things about this model is the split plan. You've got two nice sized bedrooms up here at the front of the house with a full bathroom. That way, either your kids or your guests have their own private space. Moving into the kitchen, you have this really spacious design with this massive kitchen island, which Dreamfinders is known for. Just off the kitchen, you have a powder bath here and potentially a fifth bedroom or an office, workout room, craft room. You take your pick. Here in the back of the house, you have the laundry room and your primary suite. This model is the Anna Maria with Bonus, and this is the bonus. You have this fantastic loft space, could be secondary entertaining, could be a full guest suite because you've got, yes, another bedroom and full bathroom. I'm Leslie, I'm a realtor in Central Florida. If you want more home tours like this, like and subscribe. And if you're looking to buy or sell, give me a call.